I'm done with seeing homes that always looks perfect. Life isn't like that, and mine definitely isn't. Some days the dishes wait, some days the toys win, and some days I just do what I can. Hello, hi, I'm Michelle, and this is my little house in the Kasi. It's not a big house and not fancy at all, but it's full of love, and that's why I gave it this name. This little place is where my family loves, laughs, makes a mess, and starts again. Today I'm giving my kids space a good tidy up. Nothing fancy, just one small job that makes home feel a little lighter. Ek is maar net 'n gewone ma, a stay-at-home mom who loves making a house feel cozy and full of love. I'm still building the life I hope for, one small step at a time. Until then, I'll make this little home as beautiful as I can with what I have. If this feels like your kind of home too, welcome. I'm so happy that you are here. Kom ons maak hierdie huis mooi saam.